Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Today we're going to continue on with my collection of Hot Wheels Red Baron cars. And as I said, I'm going to initiate the Red Baron's Flying Circus color scheme. So we're starting with this one here. Rather play-worn, scraped up, got a broken front fender, driver's side. Start by drilling it out the posts. The posts are held on with the helmet and the engine. Or that's what hold on the helmet and the engine and keep the body all together. Now we drill out the mushroom cap. Get the body in our favorite stripper, Fifi La Citresse. After the body comes out of the stripper, I use my lime away to clean all the corrosion off of it. This is before we buff it up on the wire wheel. You can see that broken fender piece into our first bath of mineral spirits. All the metal pieces go. Give them their first little scrub up. Get rid of all the residual. Stripper. Then I give the body a brushing and then another washing in the mineral spirits, and I set it aside to dry. Now we're ready for our primer. A little history on the Red Baron's Flying Circus. In honor of their commanding officer, the rest of the squadron would paint their planes in garish colors, schemes of their own. And in honor of him, they would save one spot on their plane to paint in the Red Baron's red coloring, which was, through history, has told us that the color of the Red Baron's plane was vermilion number 3, which was kind of a blood red, darker red. So, as I said, they would all paint theirs their favorite color and then leave one spot on their plane and paint it the vermilion red of the Red Barons. And I thought, well, what the heck? I've got enough of these Red Barons. I'll make my own flying circus. Instead of having a bunch of all red ones, I'll mix them up. And you're about to see the results of the first one in that group. Got new wheels. Fasten them on with the CA glue and a little baking soda. This is the helmet top after I polished it very well. Now I'm putting the real Iron Cross design stickers on the side of it. And when I'm done with both sides, I'll seal it in with some clear. Here are all the pieces. Don't want to show you too much of the body till the final reveal. Ready to all be assembled. Here's what we started with. A very play-worn, paint gone. Somebody painted the helmet black. You'll see that front fender on the left broke off the tip. I had to replace that. Replace the wheels. Here's what we ended up with. One member of the Red Baron's Flying Circus. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. This is Opaw saying goodbye.